In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Notion, whether you're looking to streamline your productivity or simply want all of your important dates in one place. Integrating Google Calendar with Notion is a fantastic way to manage your schedule seamlessly. So let's go through the process step by step. First, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can easily find it by typing Google Calendar into your browser's search bar, or simply head to calendar.google.com. Once you've opened Google Calendar, look for your calendar under the list on the left-hand side. Click on the email associated with your calendar to select it. Moving on, you'll see 3 vertical dots right next to the calendar name. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options available, go ahead and choose Settings and Sharing. This action will direct you to a new page where you can adjust various settings for your calendar. Now scroll down just a bit until you find Access Permissions for Events. This section allows you to make your calendar publicly accessible, which is a crucial step in embedding it into Notion. Check the box to make your calendar public if it's not already. Next, let's focus on finding the Integrate Calendar section from the sidebar. This is where you'll get the necessary links to share or embed your calendar. Locate the public URL to this calendar and copy that link. This link will allow you to share your calendar externally. Now we need to switch our activities over to Notion. Open Notion and go to the page where you'd like your calendar to be embedded. Once you're on that page, you'll need to paste the copied link. You can do this by typing a / followed by embed to reveal the embed option. Paste your calendar URL into the box that appears and then click embed to see your calendar within Notion. It's important to ensure that your calendar appears as you expect in Notion. Take a moment to explore the embedded calendar and confirm that all your events are clearly displayed. If there are any adjustments needed to the size or view, don't hesitate to tweak the settings to your liking. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar is now successfully linked to Notion. With this integration, you can easily keep track of all your upcoming events and tasks directly from your Notion workspace. Remember, this setup allows you to access your schedule from virtually anywhere, enhancing your productivity and organization. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!